Hello again folks, welcome to part 2 of this CCTV tester repair. Now if you've watched my previous video, I'll link to it down below, you saw me tear this apart to establish the part number for the LCD module itself. So we did that, I got the number, did a bit of googling and found out that it was actually used in a couple of Olympus digital cameras, the FE150 and FE160. So since making that video I had a look around on eBay, tried to get one cheap. And I basically couldn't get one for any less than £20, and that was a bit more money than I wanted to actually put into this. So with a little bit of digging around on AliExpress, I managed to find a replacement screen for just £6 including delivery. It actually came in just over a week, which was, you know, fairly quick. Sold as new, but if we look at the connector here, I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but it clearly has been used before. Yeah, and there's some ink on the back as well. So this has probably been pulled from a camera that's been sent over there for, you know, recycling, or, you know, what's the word? You know, salvage purposes. And that's what they do. They take the West's, you know, surplus equipment, they part it out and they sell it out. And it's very, very profitable from what I can find out online. But yeah, in this video, all we're going to do is basically swap this screen into here. It's going to be nice and simple. And also at the end, we're going to have another competition time, because as I've started, sorry, just before starting making this video, yeah, I've hit 2,250 subscribers. So stay tuned for that at the end. So I've already taken the screws out of this, and we'll just open it up. Get the new display out of the way, and yeah, we'll take this apart. So let's take this connector out, and we will take the keypad connector out, just to make it a bit easier. And that was an absolute nightmare to put in but last time, so I may pause the video when it comes to that point. So we'll take the 4 screws out, and we'll get cracking. So I don't know if you enjoyed my gliding videos last week. I've not done any, I know I've not done any sort of electronics videos recently, but yeah, I was on that course for a week. Didn't manage to get solo, unfortunately, but I have rearranged another course for next month, so hopefully we'll get to do it then. Certainly, if you did enjoy those videos, please put down below, and likewise, if you didn't enjoy it, put it down below, and I might not do any videos. But I was conscious when I was uploading those videos, a lot of people were unsubscribing for some reason, but never mind. Okay, right, so there's our old display, and it's just one of these zero insertion force connectors, so we just flip up the small black tab, and that screen just lifts out. Now, I don't have any double-sided tape, so what I'm going to have to do, if I can find my sharp knife, is we'll try and salvage this if we can. Do you know what? I don't think it's. I don't think that's going to work. That said, there is a little bit on the. There is a little bit on the cradle, if you want to call that. But we'll just put that a little bit in there. Make sure it's nice and flat so the screen sits okay, and yeah, that should do the trick. So let's compare the two parts. Yeah, those look good, and yeah, the part number matches up. Yeah, everything looks good. Slightly different cable. Just let's check the length. Yeah, same length, just that's a dark rectangle slightly higher up on the new one, but yeah, I have no reason to suspect it won't work. So we'll just pop this in here like so, and then pop the connector down if I can get it in. There we go, and we'll just pop that in the cradle like so. So that's stuck down okay. It does press up against the bezel inside, so that should be okay. So I'm just going to give that a quick wipe with my finger, because I did notice a couple of specks of dust on it. This does have a screen protector on it, so just very, very gently, using a sharp knife, just lift the corner of that, like so, and then we'll pop it into the main housing. Okay. So while I'm doing this, yeah, I think we'll do the competition time just now. So yeah, 2,250 subscribers. So all I want you to do in this video is to comment down below and just give me a bit of feedback. What would you like to see more of in this channel? I very much want it to be what you guys want and not what I want necessarily. So if you'd like to see more sort of, you know, kit builds and stuff like that, and just put down kits, or, you know, if you'd like to see more, you know, tear downs, repairs, then yeah, just stick it down below and we'll have a look and see what we can sort out for you. I'm going to have a what do you call it, a new security camera to review for you shortly. I get contacted just today by a company wanting to send me a new piece of equipment to review, and you know, I agreed, and that should be with me tomorrow, or you know, sorry, Friday at the latest, something like that. So that's something to potentially look forward to. But yeah, I digress. Just stick down what you'd like to see more of, and I will try and do that for you. Right, now I am going to pause here and put this connector in, because it was quite tricky last time. So you just bear with me 2 moments, I'll catch you in a second. Okay, well, that was emotional. I absolutely hate these little sort of flexible PCB, or whatever you want to call them. You know, flat flex cables, whatever you want to call them. Yeah, really, really frustrating sometimes. Anyway, okay, been mumbling enough during this. Right, let's turn it on and see if it works. Yes, it does. There we go. Happy days. Right, so we'll pop this back together. If we can. Hello again, folks. Sorry about the abrupt jump cut. Yeah, I put it back together and had a play around with it, and I just wasn't getting anywhere, and the video was dragging on and dragging on. And yeah, I didn't want it to be a really boring video with me rambling and mumbling my way through this menu. So anyway, here we are. System setup, as you would expect, sets up the system. So we can set the protocol, the COM port protocol, you know, is it 485 or 232? We've got a baud rate, speed, idle time and battery. Video and pan tilt zoom test, we'll come back to that in a second. We've got a UTP cable test, and simply we take a bit of Cat5 cable, put the terminator on the other end, and we press 3, UTP cable test. Click set, and that tells us that is, you know, what do you call it? It's not a crossover cable. What do you call it? Straight through? Whatever. Yeah, it's pin 1 to 8 are wired to the respective pins on the other end of the cable. We've got video generator, which, as you would expect, generates video from the out BNC. And if I press set, you can set various colours to test your monitor or whatever. And we've got RS485 data test, so I don't obviously have any data coming into this, but yeah, we could hook it up to, sorry, the connector on the back here, and that will display that data there. So, onto the video test, and this was the thing that caught me out before. I was getting video null. Now I've got these, or I did have it connected to my CCTV system here, and my CCTV system uses analog high definition, so it's a high resolution display or picture, and I think basically this unit cannot display that. It's just too high resolution for the unit. So I got my old NTSC digital video camera, which I've had for many years, and it does appear to work. So if I grab the cables and join them together. I've not got a proper connector, so that's how you're getting it, so that's why the picture's a bit noisy. But yeah, it is working absolutely fine, no dramas at all. As you can see, it does state NTSC at the top right, so it can detect the video modes and will work with either NTSC or, of course, PAL video formats. So that's pretty much it. A successful repair, really cheap repair. So this unit to buy is £270 just now. So £5 for the unit and £6 for the display. I'm not Carol Vorderman, but even I can work out that maths. £11 in total for a working CCTV tester. Yes, on maybe more modern camera systems, it may not work because it's a high resolution image, but you know, just for testing things, even you know, for testing Commodore Amigas or other retro type computers, you can just plug it straight into the back there, and you've got a nice, easy, portable screen that you don't have to drag out and, you know, plug in and set up every time you want to just test a piece of equipment you've acquired. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So thanks very much for watching. As mentioned before, just put in the comments below to enter the competition, so what you'd like to see more of in this channel. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. As always, take care of yourselves and all the best.